Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to talk about why you have a cabin air filter, what a cabin air filter is, and why you should care. Just like the engine air filter filters air that goes into your engine, your cabin air filter is filtering the air that you're breathing in, regardless if it comes from outside or inside with the windows up. And make sure to stay tuned till the end, and I will give you my recommendations on when you should at least inspect your cabin air filter, if not replace it. So as you can see here, I drew a makeshift, kind of like your HVAC system. You have your vents that come out of your dash, and then your feet. Granted, this is not perfect, but you have your blower motor that pushes air into the vents, and you have your incoming air, regardless if it's from inside the passenger compartment or if you're getting fresh air from outside. But between the blower motor and where the air is coming in, that is where your cabin air filter is going to be placed. So any air that comes in has to go through the filter before it gets the blower motor. So this one here is pretty dirty. I mean, this one definitely needed changed. But if you look down in the pleats where all the stuff is caught, this one is extremely dirty. This one is well overdue. And think about this right here is what you would have been breathing in, and this is restricting airflow to the blower motor, so it's not going to be working as well as it should. This example here, I mean, this obviously fall time. If they were there pulling in fresh air all the time, that's where all these leaves are going to come from. So, and then I'm going to overlay one. This was one that a guy from work had. It actually, something got up in the air box, chewed through the filter, made a nest, plugged the blower motor up. So my recommendation is I would inspect it at least at every season change. So fall to winter, winter to spring, spring to summer, summer to fall. At that point, when you do your oil change, or if you're in the middle of an oil change, just take 5-10 minutes, check your cabin air filter. If it needs replaced, replace it. So until next time, thanks for watching. Check out these other awesome videos and hit that subscribe button.